Now, one of the most interesting things about this motor generator is the construction of it, because you see the rotor comes out and we're left with those little tabs. Now those tabs actually line up with the magnetic poles on the outside rim of the rotor. So as this rotates, it actually cogs into each position. Okay? And what's actually happening is that every other tab, or all the tabs on the upper plate, all those tabs relate to the position of all the north poles, per se. And the bottom tabs relate to the south poles, per se. And what happens is the magnet actually magnetizes the casing through these tabs, and the magnetism alternates between north and south. And the opposite tabs pick up the opposite pole of the magnet as it rotates. And what that does is, since the coil sits in between the two plates and is wrapped this way, it allows the magnetism to alternate across the windings, because otherwise this configuration wouldn't work. Without those tabs and the coil configuration and the magnet configuration, this design would not work unless it had those tabs. And it puts the magnetism, it sandwiches it in between the coil, and it alternates back and forth that way. And that's how it produces its rotation, because the magnetism is transferred into the tabs to the motor. Very interesting motor design. Very interesting. Never seen anyone break it down and explain it that way, so just thought I'd share that. Peace.